Hi, my name is Marchetti Gold and today I will show you how much money I make on YouTube in May. I will show YouTube channel statistics. Here you see the statistics for the last 28 days. In the last 28 days I have earned €18.43. It's not much, but it's only the second month after YouTube channel monetization. In the last 28 days, I only got 13 subscribers. In the last 28 days, I received 9,000 video views. Okay, I'll show you full statistics on how much I earn money from YouTube in May. In May I earned €20.16. Here you can see the most profitable videos of the last 28 days. You can see that my YouTube channel Marchetti Gold has only 1,140 subscribers. Here you can see the most watched videos.
Thanks for watching the video.